Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Network and Internet Settings. This gets you straight to the adapters you'll change. Once done, click Change Adapter Options to list network interfaces. You need to pick the active one, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. You do this because DNS is set per adapter, so choosing the correct interface ensures the setting applies. Make sure the adapter is enabled. If it's disabled, enable it now. Next, right-click the adapter to access Properties, which is where you modify IP4 settings. You'll now change the IP4 DNS because most networks still use IP4 for name resolution. After opening Properties, click Internet Protocol version 4, then Properties again, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 1, 1, 1, 1 as preferred and 1, 0, 0. 1 as alternate. These are Cloudflare's public DNS servers, chosen for speed and privacy. Once entered, click OK to apply. If your network uses IP6, make the analogous change under IP6. If not, leave IP6 unchanged to avoid conflict. Once you apply settings, restart the adapter or the PC so Windows uses the new DNS. Then open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/flushtons to clear cached records. This forces fresh lookups via 1, 1, 1, 1, test by pinging a domain or loading websites. If resolution fails, check common issues, VPN or firewall rules blocking DNS, router forcing its own DNS, or typo in addresses. As a troubleshooting tip, temporarily revert to automatic DNS to confirm whether the new addresses cause the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.